my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get this braid out look. So it's currently 2 a.m. and I just finished washing my hair. It's about like 40% dry and I'm sectioning it into 4 different sections, and I'm going to use clips to hold the pieces. So on each section I use the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Leave-In Conditioner because it gives my hair a lot of moisture after I just washed it. Now I'm going to make even smaller sections, and on each section I use the Camille Rose Almond J Twisting Butter because it helps with hold, shine, and moisture. So here I'm going back and making some of the braids smaller because I realized some of them were a little too thick and I knew they wouldn't dry all the way. So here I'm tying my satin wrap really tight, and then for extra protection I also put on my giant bonnet. Alright, so it's the next day and it's about 12 p.m. And I am getting some castor oil and I put that all over my hair just to help with shine and to reduce some of the frizz. Unfortunately, my hair was still pretty wet when I was taking this out, and I kind of expected that because I did start my hair at 2 a.m. so I didn't finish until around 3, so I didn't have much time to dry my hair. So since I wasn't able to dry it how I wanted, I wasn't going to wear it completely down, so I'm kind of tucking away the very front pieces of my hair, and I'm using Eco Styler gel to kind of lay the front of my hair down and pin it back with some pins, just because a lot of the frizz was in the front. And that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see anything else, comment it down below. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.